Welcome to Beautyistic. Let me ask you, have you ever found yourself frustrated with the effort it takes to keep your oral care routine on point, especially when it comes to flossing? We all know that traditional flossing can be tricky, messy, and time-consuming. But what if there was a way to make that process simpler, more effective, and even a little fun? Today, we're reviewing the HealthSmart Compact Cordless Water Flosser. If you're someone who's looking for an easy way to remove food particles, clean around dental work like braces, crowns, or bridges, or simply maintain healthy gums, this could be the solution you've been searching for. Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. Now let's dive right in. The HealthSmart Compact Cordless Water Flosser is a portable powerhouse that takes the hassle out of flossing. Equipped with a 250 milliliter water tank, it provides just the right amount of water for thorough cleaning, while its powerful 2000 milliamp hour battery ensures you're good to go for multiple uses before needing a recharge. Speaking of which, the USB-C charging feature makes it incredibly convenient to charge, no more hunting for specific chargers. Plus, it's 100% waterproof, meaning you can use it in the shower without any worries. The water flosser is versatile, with 6 pulsating modes that allow you to customize the intensity for your comfort and needs. Whether you're cleaning sensitive gums or need a more intense cleaning power, this flosser has you covered. The 360-degree rotating nozzle is another standout feature, ensuring you can reach every corner of your mouth, including those hard-to-reach areas. What really sets this flosser apart, though, is the 4 specialized nozzles it comes with. You get a standard nozzle for daily use, a specialized nozzle for braces, a periodontal nozzle to boost gum health, and a tongue cleaning tip. This means you're getting a full spectrum clean for your entire mouth. No area is left untouched. Now, let's talk about real-world use. I've been incorporating the HealthSmart Water Flosser into my routine for a while now. It's easy to use, the handle feels comfortable, and the different modes really do make a difference. I found it to be particularly helpful after meals, especially when I had something stuck around my dental work. It effortlessly dislodges food particles without any discomfort. The water pressure is just right, not too weak, but not harsh either. The 360-degree rotating nozzle made it easy to clean around my dental work, and I especially loved the tongue cleaner, which left my mouth feeling extra fresh. There are a few minor cons to consider though. The 250 milliliter water tank is great for a quick clean, but if you're someone with a larger mouth or a lot of dental work, you may need to refill it mid-session. Also, while the product is advertised as ideal for travel, it is on the bulkier side compared to other travel-friendly options, so it may not fit in all toiletry bags. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value for money, the HealthSmart Water Flosser certainly holds its ground. Considering the high-quality build, multiple nozzles, and the fact that it can replace multiple dental tools, it's a worthwhile investment for those serious about maintaining their oral health. However, if you're on a budget, there are more affordable water flossers available, though they may not come with the same level of versatility and power. I haven't had any direct interaction with the brand's customer service, but their reputation for handling inquiries seems positive, and the product's design reflects thoughtful attention to detail. The product feels well made, with sturdy materials and a reliable battery life. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, brands like Waterpik or Aquasonic offer similar devices that could fit your needs. However, none seem to offer the same range of nozzles or the ease of use found with the HealthSmart model, especially if you have specialized dental needs. To wrap up, the HealthSmart Compact Cordless Water Flosser is a solid choice for anyone who wants to enhance their oral care routine. It's easy to use, efficient, and versatile, with specialized tips that make it great for people with braces, crowns, or other dental work. While it's a bit bulky for travel, it's still a fantastic option for at-home use. If you're looking for an effective way to maintain your gums and teeth, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.